First of all, I want to say congratulations, and I'm so proud of you for clicking on this video. It really shows that you're ready to take the first step into going to the gym and creating your best, healthiest lifestyle. But many of you might be asking, what's the first step? Now, I know a lot of you might be intimidated by gym veterans, thinking they're going to judge you or look down on you because you might not know what you're doing. But I just want to assure you that many of us gym vets, we're exactly in your shoes at some point, and we know exactly how you're feeling, and we want to truly see you succeed and love the gym as much as we do. So to set you up for success, in this video, I've set up a checklist that you can follow and check off to make sure that when you go into the gym, into your first training sessions, that you're maximally prepared and confident for whatever you want to achieve. So the first step, and might be the most important one on this checklist, is figuring out and determining what is your goal. Why are you going to the gym? Do you want to get strong like a powerlifter? Do you want to get jacked and shred down like a bodybuilder? Do you want to be more athletic, or just be healthier overall? Honestly, your goal doesn't really matter, but it's going to give you a clear vision into what you really want to achieve and how you're going to train in the gym. Now that you've determined your goals, now it's time to do a little bit of research to figure out how exactly you can achieve that. So I highly recommend going on YouTube, finding a good couple YouTubers that you resonate, that make content about the goals that you want to achieve. So once you find one or two YouTubers, just binge watch their stuff. This way you can learn the basic exercises, techniques, and movements that you'll be performing, so you can go in ready and prepared and know exactly what to do. Also, if you like bodybuilding, I know one guy that's really good with that. So now that you found some YouTubers that you've been watching, really starting to learn the ropes, now it's time to determine what your training plan is and what your split's gonna be. So getting a training plan is super important because it gives you something to build on and eventually see the progress, which is super motivating. So if bodybuilding's your goal, I highly recommend doing a 4-day upper lower or a 3-day full body split. I'm just gonna pop up some examples on the screen that you can just steal right now and get started with. The next on the checklist, you should really figure out which days that you're gonna go to the gym and at what times. So failing to plan is planning to fail. So try to find a time that works in your schedule where you can go consistently. If you're worried about the gym being really busy, here are the times that are least busy, at least on average from what I've experienced. She can't remember all the hours, one sec. So generally, in my experience at least, the least busy times to go are just before the lunch rush, about 9 to 11 a.m., just after the lunch rush, that's really hard to say. Just after the lunch rush from 1 to 3 p.m. and about an hour or two before close. And also Friday nights and the weekends tend to be a little less busy than weekdays. Step number 5 is finding a gym that you're comfortable with and finding one that you actually want to go to. So if you're unsure what gym you want to go to, pretty much all gyms give you at least a tour or a free session that you can go around and try it out for the day. So finding a gym that you're comfortable with and you enjoy going to is super important. If you're just going for general health and you go to a hardcore bodybuilding gym, that might not be the right atmosphere for you. I highly recommend taking a day, going around to all the different gyms, trying them out, see what they're all about, to find the one that works best for you. So the next step I recommend is finding a gym buddy. So find a friend, family member, or somebody else to go to the gym with, preferably someone who has the same goals as you. So finding a gym buddy will, one, help you stay more accountable. They can help check your form, spot you, keep you motivated, and also provide some friendly competition to help push each other to the next level. So step number 7 probably isn't as important as the other ones, but it is one that I highly recommend still, and that's finding a good water bottle that you like. So if you're really shy in the gym and you really don't want to be moving around in front of people, going across the gym to get a drink of water can be really scary sometimes. So just having a water bottle there ready to take a sip, whatever, is going to be awesome. Plus, hydration plays a key role in staying healthy and performing well in the gym. It also acts as a great bludgeoning tool just in case. So number 8 on the list might seem a little bit weird and can be a little bit expensive depending on what route you go. Ow, bit me. And that's getting a good pair of noise canceling headphones. So my fiance just got a pair of Sony XM1005s. I'm just gonna throw them up on the screen. Noise canceling is amazing. It totally changed the way she worked out, she says. She's really able to focus in and stay in her own little bubble and really just forgets that there's people around her. Plus, not all the gyms play the greatest music in the world, and that just really helps block out all that crap so you can stay focused and listen to the music that you want to and stay pumped up. So you might be asking me, how do I stay motivated for the long term? Now that's a topic for an entirely different video, but I will leave you with this. Going to the gym isn't something that you just add to your schedule. It's a change in your lifestyle, so please try to be patient with yourself. I find for me, something that's really motivating is really sticking to a training plan, tracking, and watching the weight go up. So start with the exercises that you really enjoy doing and just try to get better and better and better at them. And then sooner or later, with a little bit of consistency, you're gonna be pushing weight that you never thought possible before, which then motivates you even more to keep going to see how far you can go. And it's just an upward spiral from there. So with this list, hopefully you feel a lot more comfortable and a lot more ready to step into the gym for the first time and crush it.
So thanks for watching, everybody. If you think I forgot anything, or if you have any other good ideas for getting started in the gym, put them down in the comments. I would love to read them and see them and create a good database for other people trying to get to the gym for the first time. Also, if you want some more training ideas, I adapted a workout based on Goku's gravity chamber workout on his way to Namek for beginners, intermediates, and advanced lifters. I also made a full guide on how to get a Toji Fushiguro physique if you're interested in that as well.